How to bypass DoorDash waitlist. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can bypass the waitlist on DoorDash. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to bypass DoorDash waitlist, the only thing you can do is try to contact the customer support and ask them if they can speed up the waiting process. Now, first of all, go to your browser and type in DoorDash support, or you can directly go to help.doordash.com. Once done, you can simply select the option called customer support. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this next page. So if you're on the waiting list, maybe as a dasher or as a customer, you can select you can get a customer support. You can see you can directly call them at this given number depending upon the region that you're in, or you can also chat with them in the DoorDash app. And once you call the customer support and ask them, they will be able to speed up the process for you. So this way you can bypass the wait list. Now there isn't a coherent way to bypass completely, but the least you could do is you could go ahead and then at least ask the customer support to help you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.